Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Singh. My topic is rainy morning. As I was walking in the rain, I met a fairy down the lane. We walked along the road together. I soon forgot about the weather. He told me lots of lovely things. The story that the robin sings, and where the rabbit go to school, and how to know a fairy pool, and what to say and what to do if boggles ever bother you. The flowers peeped from hedgy places, shocked the raindrops from their faces. Furry creatures all the way come popping out and said good day. But when we reached the little bend, just where the village houses end, he seemed to slip into the ground. I looked about, I found, but the rain was suddenly all over, the sun shining on the clover. Thank you.